First, come down to the Start menu, click on Start, type in Storage. You should see this where it says Storage Settings, left click. I'll bring this up on full screen so you can see everything. As you can see, it's checking the documents, installed apps, temporary files, all other apps as well. Give it a second to do the scan. What you need to do is come down here to Storage Sense and then Run Storage Sense now. You can also set the default for it to do it automatically for you. Of 60 days, 14 days, or 1 day, or never. Choice is yours. I'm going to run this one now. There you go. It's cleaned up 54 meg on my disk space. This is only a demo machine, so there's not a lot on it. If this is to remove any unwanted apps, click on this one. It'll take you to your app list. It'll also tell you the sizes down the side here. You can change this to size. As you can see, it's taking up quite a lot of space on my drive. If you want to remove this one, just left click, uninstall, and that's it. It's gone. That saved a bit of space on my drive. Do this for all apps you don't need or haven't used in a while. The last one is disk cleanup. Just click on Start, type in disk, left. This is kind of the default one that comes with Windows. You can get rid of your program files, temporary internet files. These are very similar to the Storage Sense, but on this one you can go to clean up system files. And here you've got the Windows Update cleanup. Any old antivirus definitions, you can get rid of those as well. Tick all of these files. Don't worry, it won't get rid of any of your personal files, just some of the junk on your computer. Click OK. And say, you sure you do this one? You say yes. I'll start deleting those files. Okay, let's finish deleting my files now. If you want to, what you need to do is go down to the yellow folder at the bottom of the screen, left click, then choose Downloads on the left hand side. Have a look through your files to see if there's any personal files you need to keep. Drag and drop those into the folders. Once you've done that and you're sure there's no other files you need, just hit Control and A and then press delete on the keyboard. That should get rid of all that junk disappeared off your machine. You just gave your PC a deep clean. If you follow the steps, you probably freed up a few gigs and your system should already feel faster. Quick recap. We tackled Storage Sense, temporary internet files, uninstalled unused apps, and cleanup for those Windows updates. If this helped, hit the like to boost it and help somebody else. Comment how much space you freed up. I'd love to hear. And if you want more easy, useful Windows tips every week, make sure you subscribe. Good stuff coming soon. And I'll catch you in the next one.